In this video, we're going to show you how to take bookings from your website. Online booking lets patients book themselves in without picking up the phone. Let's set it up. We start on the home page. Hover over Marketing in the top navigation. A drop-down opens with everything to do with attracting and booking patients. Click Booking Widget. This is where you turn on online booking and get the link you'll share with patients. Before patients can complete a booking, two other things need to be set up. First, your appointment types. At least one needs to be marked as patient bookable, which we covered in the appointment types video. Second, if you want patients to pay a deposit when they book, you need to set up the payment portal. That's covered separately in our Stripe video. With those in place, you're ready to create your booking link. Up at the top of the page is the API keys section. Don't worry about the technical name. An API key is just a fancy term for your unique booking link. Each link you create is a separate channel. Most clinics need just one, but you can make more if you want a different link for your website, a different one for Instagram, and so on. Velastria tracks which link a booking came from, so you can see what's working. To make your first booking link, click the Create API Key button at the top right of the section. A short form pops up. The first field is a name. This is just for you so you can recognize this link in the list later. Call it something clear like main website, or email signature. We'll call ours main website. Below that is an allowed origins field. Leave this blank for now. It's there if you want to limit which websites can use the link, which is an advanced security setting most clinics don't need. Just leaving it empty means the link works anywhere. Hit Create Key, and your new booking link appears in the table. Name on the left, the unique link in the middle, and a status that should say active. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see the booking link section is filled in. The big purple box shows your unique booking page URL. This is the link you give to patients. Pop it in your email signature, on your Instagram, or behind a Book Now button on your website. Let's see what a patient actually sees when they click your link. We'll open the booking page right in this window. Here's the very first thing a patient sees: your clinic's name at the top, branded with your color, and a short form asking for their name, email, and phone number. We're showing it on a laptop here, but it works just as well on a phone. That's where most patients will actually book. When the patient hits Continue, Velastria emails them a one-time link. They open the link, and that verifies their email. No password to remember, no account to make. From there, they pick a date, pick an appointment type, pick a time slot, agree to your privacy policy, and pay their deposit through Stripe. The whole thing takes about a minute on a phone. Let's head back to your booking settings and look at the rules that decide how your bookings behave. Scroll down to the booking rules. Clinic deposit is what a patient pays up front to confirm a clinic appointment. Most clinics take a small holding deposit. Surgery deposit is the bigger one, for confirming a surgery slot. Remember, for these deposits to actually charge, the payment portal needs to be connected. That's the Stripe setup we mentioned at the start. Next, your cancellation rules. Cancellation notice hours is how much warning a patient must give you to get a refund. 24 hours is typical. Refund percentage is how much of their deposit they get back when they do cancel in time. Cancel later than that, and the deposit's yours. That's online booking. Open Marketing, then Booking Widget, create your booking link, copy it and share it however you like. Set your deposit and cancellation rules, and patients can book themselves in around the clock. Every booking flows straight onto your calendar exactly the same as if reception had taken it on the phone.